Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to read a short story. My name is Joan Khaled Silvara Rodriguez, and let's start. The story is about greedy Peter Brown. Part 1. Peter Brown had always loved urban California with its wide rivers. It was a place where he felt happy. The part 2. He was a greedy, helpful wine drinker with solid hair and tall arms. His friends saw him as a grotesque gigantic giant. Once, he had even jumped into a river and saved a flat baby bird. That's the sort of man he was. Part 3. Peter watched over the window and reflected on his full surroundings. The sun shone like running cats. Then he saw something in the distance, or rather someone. It was the figure of Sarah Butler. Sarah was a considerate patient with blonde hair and skyline eyes. Peter gulped. He was not prepared for Sarah. Okay, part 4. As Peter stepped outside and Sarah came closer, he could see the teeny tiny gleam in her eye. Sarah gazed with the affection of close-mirror robust rabbit. She said, in huge tones, I love you and I want nice. Peter looked back even more sad and still fingering the treat ball. Sarah, get out of my house, he replied. Final part. They, they looked at each other with lonely feelings, like two daily decaying dots bouncing at a very proud holiday, which had piano music playing in the background and two special uncles cooking to the bed. Peter regarded Sarah's blonde hair and skyline eyes. I feel the same way, revealed Peter with a delighted grin. Sarah looked grumpy, her emotions blushing like a fluttering fur flower. Then Sarah came inside for a nice glass of wine. The end. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.